Did you have a great holiday? Good. Well, you were absent last time I was here, and I missed you terribly.
Yeah.
Do you want to hold your necklace so nothing happens to it? How about if we put it over here while we read? Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Today I'm going to share with you a very special story. And this story is called The Secret Science Project That Almost Ate the School.
What's that?
I don't know. I think we're going to find out, though. I wonder if that's part of the science project. So do you think this book is going to be real? The story is going to be real or make-believe?
Real.
You think it's going to be real? Let's find out. Uh-oh.
How it's almost going to eat the school?
I don't know, but we're going to find out. Here we go. I was grumpy. I was grouchy. I was slouching in my chair. I was thinking grim and gloomy thoughts about the science fair. Who do you think is telling this story? Does she look very happy?
No.
No. Miranda bragged her rocket ship could travel to the moon. Alexander taught his hamster how to sing a tune. The ants on Mary's ant farm were growing corn and peas, and Kevin Fink was on the brink of curing a disease.
What's that?
Ah, that's Kevin Fink, and he's got a bag of something. He thinks it's going to cure a disease. Miss Fidget looked me in the eye. Oh, I wish that I could hide. What will your science project be, she asked. It's secret, I replied.
What is going to eat the school?
I don't know. Let's find out. The secret was, I didn't really have a project yet. I needed an experiment that no one would forget. So I stayed up late and found a great one on the internet. Oh, think something's going to happen? Let's find out. A science project fully guaranteed to win first prize. A substance so amazing that the judges won't believe their eyes. A mutant yeast with just a piece of dragon DNA. Professor Swarmy Super Slime. Order yours today. So what's she gonna get? Some super slime. I sent the money instantly. Then early Friday morning, a box appeared. It looked so weird. With big green letters, warning. Oh, your super slime is sensitive, so handle it with care. Keep it safe inside this box until the science fair. Then feed it sugar till it swells 1,000 times in mass. Stand back as it erupts into a harmless cloud of gas. So these were the what?
Words.
The words, the directions that she had to follow. I popped the lid and gave the slime a teeny tiny poke. It started getting bigger. It growled and blew off smoke. It catapulted from the box and splattered on the floor, precisely as Sir Scratch-a-Lot stepped through the kitty door and plopped his paws in mutant muck. He rudely hissed and spat. Yikes! The secret science project ate my kitty cat. Is that your stupid science project? Asked my sister Kate. Stop, I said. You'll hurt its feelings. Oops, it was too late. The slime began to spin around. It rose into the air. And when it roared and hit the floor, my sister wasn't there. Just then I heard my father's voice. What's going on in there? Something in that bedroom smells like moldy underwear. My science project's sensitive, I warned. Don't make it mad. There wasn't time to stop the crime. The slime ingested Dad. Oh my goodness. The science project looked at me. I thought I saw it drool. I tried to run away, but yikes, it followed me to school. Miss Fidget shouted, ew, what is that big, disgusting creature? The slime stopped short and gave a snort and ate my third grade teacher. It grew larger by the minute as it swallowed Alexander and incorporated Kevin Fink and Mary and Miranda. As the slime was busy slurping up the last of Mary's ants, I remembered the instructions in the pocket of my pants. Sugar, I commanded. Feed that hungry slime some sweets. Kids reached into their backpacks. Soon the air was filled with treats. As donuts flew and cookies too and candy bars and gum, the bloated blob was quick to gobble every single crumb. I shook a can of soda pop and sprayed the growing slime till I could tell that it had swelled at least 1,000 times. Now everybody hide, I screamed. Ka-flas, ka-flam, ka-floo. It vanished into a stupefying burst of CO2. When the dust had cleared away, my dad was up a tree. My teacher dangled from the roof, and we were all on TV. Sir Scratch-a-Lot, I called, what happened to my cat? He's on your head, my sister said, pretending he's a bat. My project didn't win first prize, and that was fair, I guess. Miss Fidget kept me after school to clean up all the mess. And underneath the cookie bits and sugary debris, I saw a goopy glob of slime. And yikes, it winked at me. The end.
That was so scary.
That was a scary story. So do you think that it was a true story or make-believe?
Make-believe?
Why do you think it was a make-believe?
Because it will give me nightmares.
It will give you nightmares? Was it kind of a silly story?
No?
No? It was a pretend story, so it's not real, so it shouldn't give you nightmares. But what did this little girl forget to do that was so important?
She can't open the box.
She wasn't supposed to open the box. She was supposed to give the slime some sugar, right? So that taught me a lesson. Did that teach you a lesson?
Why did you put on my doggy?
Oh, did that teach you a lesson about following directions?
Yep.
Yeah, what do you think the lesson was?
The lesson was she couldn't open the box, or only if she's permission to open the box.
Right, so it's important to follow directions.